Hello everyone. So this is the third video of Hindi language series and I hope you all practiced well at home those words which we had learned previous lecture, and now let's begin this session. So welcome to Hindi classes. So here we have 5 words today like I, we, you, he, she, this and it. Okay. So the meaning of I in Hindi is main. In English we will read like me, me and I in. But in Hindi, this is the spelling of main. Okay, so the I meaning in Hindi is main. I means main. I means main. And here we have we. We means hum. We means hum. This is easy. We means hum. And for you, the meaning of you in Hindi is tu, tum, and aap. Okay. How we will pronounce these words like tu, tu, not tu. Tu, tu, and when m is add with tu, this will become like tum, tu, tum, tu, tum. And here we have aap, aap, right? So the tum, and tu will be used for those people who are younger than us. And aap is used for those people who are elder than us. Aap is show some respect. Okay. So tu and tum is used for younger people who are younger than us. Okay. So how we will pronounce like tu, tum and aap, right? And here we have he, she, this and it. In English, these words are used different form. Like he is used for the male, male or boy. Okay, and she is used for the female, and this and it is used for the non-living things. Okay, but in Hindi, the meaning of he, she, this and it is same. So the meaning of he in Hindi is yeh. This will be the yeh, 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 and wo, voh, wo. Okay, so this is easy. You can remember easily these words. He means yeh, wo. She means yeh, wo. And this and it means yeh and wo. So let's revise this word. I means main. I means main. We means hum. We means hum. You means tu, tum and aap. Tu, tum and aap. He means yeh, wo. She means yeh, wo. And this and it means yeh and wo. Okay. So these are the simple words, like 1 or 2 words, and you can remember easily if you practice well. Okay. So let's move to the next word. So here we have good morning. Good morning. The Hindi meaning of good morning is Shubh Prabhat. How we will pronounce this word? Like Shubh Prabhat. Here I have dividing these words in the simplest form so you can understand easily. Shoe. This will be the shoe. SHU, shoe. Then comes BHA, 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 shoe, bha. Then comes pra, 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 pra. And then comes BHAT, bhat, bhat. But this is not like bhat. This is like bhat, bhat, bhat. Okay. So the tra pronunciation will be the outcome. Okay. So let's read this word. Shu, bha, pra, bhat. Shu, bha, pra, bhat. Shu, bha, pra, bhat. So what will be this become? Shubh Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat. Shubha Shubh Prabhat. 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 Shubh Prabhat. Okay, right? So Shubh Prabhat. Again, Shubh Prabhat. Shubha Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat. Okay, so this will be easy if you break these words and learn properly. Okay, so Shubh Prabhat. And here we have next word is good night. Good night. The Hindi meaning of good night is Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri. And the broken word is Shubha, Shubha, Rat, and Ri. How will you pronounce this word? Like Shu, the same which we have learned in Shubh Prabhat. Shu, then Bha, Shubha, then Rat, Rat, and then Ri. Ri. Okay. So Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri. The Ta word means the T. The Ta word will be half by your tongue when you pronounce these words, like Shubh Ratri, Shubh Ratri, Shubha Ratri, Shubh Ratri, Shubh Ratri. Okay, so if you practice these words again and again, you will easily pronounce these words. Okay, so Shubh Ratri, Shubh Ratri. And here we have afternoon. Afternoon means dopahar, dopahar, dopahar. D-O, do, P-A, pa, H-A-R, har. Right? So dopahar, 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 dopahar. First, you have to break the sentence. You have to break the word. Then you should pronounce this word in small form. Then you will go with the along with the whole word. Okay, so dopahar, dopahar, dopahar. Afternoon means dopahar. Afternoon means dopahar. And here, okay, so here we have 4 words: evening, morning, day, and night. Evening, morning, day, and night. Evening means sham. This is easy. You can remember, like, this is the person's name. So evening means sham, sham, sham. And morning means subah, subah. Then subah, subah, subah. Day means din, din, din. Day means din, not din. This is din, din. And night means raat. Night means raat. Night means raat. Evening means sham. Morning means subah. Day means din. Night means raat. Okay, so that's all for today. Now let's revise what we have learned. So I means मैं. I means मैं. We means हम. You means तू, तुम, and आप. Right, school. You means तू, तुम, and आप. He means यह, वो. She means यह, वो. This and it means यह, वो. Good morning. Good morning means शुभ प्रभात. शुभ प्रभात. शुभ प्रभात. Good night. Good night means शुभ रात्रि. शुभ रात्रि. शुभ रात्रि. Okay, तो शुभ Ratri. Shubha Ratri. Afternoon. Afternoon means Dopahar. 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 Evening means Sham. Evening means Sham. Morning means Subah. Morning means Subah. Day means Din. Day means Din. Night means Raat. Night means Raat. So this is all for today, and these are the simple words. Sorry for the lights connection is off. And so this is the basic words which we had learned today, and you can easily pronounce these words by practicing. And thanks for today. Thank you.